Jim Corbett National Park is more than just a Himalayan forest. It's one of the most beautiful habitat of our country and definitely an emotion for the wildlife and nature lovers. We drove through the beautiful habitat of Sundarkhal village, a village which is very well known for its tiger and human conflict. This time, we decided to stay at KMVN Resort near the small village known as Mohaan. On our way to Mohan, we found a lot of wildlife in broad daylight itself. By the roadside, we got to see a small group of spotted deers, locally known as cheetal. After our encounter with the spotted deer, we came across a couple of vulnerable sambar deers. They were feeding by the road. So this particular spot is known as the 0 point of Mohan. So I'll show you how this place looks. See, so from here also a lot of times elephants, deers and even tigers are seen. Beautiful place, beautiful landscape. Currently there is no alarm call going on, so there is no point spending too much time here. If there were some alarm calls, we would have stayed. So yeah, let's head towards our destination KMVN Mohan and let's check in, and we'll come here definitely during our night drive and we'll see what we can find. So this is the campus of KMVN Mohan. This is the restaurant area or dining area rather. And these are the rooms. Beautiful property. Proper forest vibe you will get if you come here. And I'll show you. You can see the Koshi river also at the back. So there was a very viral video where a tiger was seen from the property itself. The tiger was actually peeking from the boundary wall into the property. Definitely it was a rare encounter, but still. This is my room. This guy is keeping our luggages over there. So I'll take you to the river side. Let me show you. Definitely it's gonna be fun. I'm not sure if I'll get to see some owls right in the property or not, but I'll definitely try. Let me show you. So this is the end of the property and you can see the Kosi river from here itself. And this is exactly where the tiger was seen, where I am standing right now, so you can understand. From the property itself, we got to see a lineated barbet. So now let me show you guys the room. This is our deluxe cottage. So this is the view that we get to see from the balcony. Beautiful place. Let me show you the inside. So this is how the room is. AC is also there. Pretty nice. This is the bathroom area. Here we have the mirror. And this is the bathroom. All in all, pretty nice place. The view from the room is also very nice. Like if you move the curtains, you'll be able to see the forest outside. Very nice. Let me open this. So we are going out now. We'll explore the surrounding places little bit, and then we'll come back around night after a small night drive. Not sure if we will find any wildlife or not, but yeah, we'll definitely try for them. So this actually, the entire region is a wildlife corridor, and if you are driving here after the sunset, you have to make sure that you are not speeding your car, okay, because otherwise there can be scenarios of road kills and all, and we don't want that. Our goal should be to save wildlife and protect wildlife, right? So yeah, drive sensibly when you are crossing the like wildlife sensitive areas. So yeah, let's see what we can find today, and yeah, I'll be stoked to see some big cats. We left from our KMVN resort and moved towards the high bank area of Mohaan. We decided to spend some time around this high bank area. The view that we got to see was just stunning. The Koshi River and the surrounding mountain ranges looked unreal. See, ideally you should not get off from your vehicle, but since we are multiple people and some villagers are also around, we came here. See, let me show you the view. Amazing. You can see the entire Kosi River from this high bank area. Beautiful. From here itself, one can encounter a lot of wildlife. But right now no alarm call or nothing is going on. Cat around me, just amazing, beautiful. So yeah, since there is no alarm call, no activity here, and no elephants either, no birds also, we'll just move little further down. Let's see if we can find something. After the sunset, we took our car and went on to explore the Ranikhet Highway, which is a wildlife corridor. We came across a couple of sambar deers which were trying to cross the road, but unfortunately it took them a lot of time due to the speeding cars. One should understand that the wildlife have the first right to cross the road in a wildlife corridor. Even though there were multiple signboards mentioning that this is a sensitive wildlife corridor and drive sensibly, still we noticed multiple cars speeding on that highway. It was very unfortunate to see. While driving on this highway during the night, one has to be extremely cautious about the elephant activity and movement. Otherwise, it could be dangerous and even fatal. Though we did not see any tiger or leopard around the KMVN Mohaan property, we still most certainly enjoyed every bit of our stay. We enjoyed the vibe of the resort, staying inside the middle of the forest, the beautiful landscape all around. As you can see, it's written over here. A lot of wild animals use this road, so be careful. We will definitely come back here again, and I'll request you to visit this property as well. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.